Hi friends, it's Mrs. Ludhauser here. I'm just going to go through our letter sound cards. This is what we practice every single day, all 26 letters, the letter, the sound, the picture. So it looks like this as we do it. A, apple, A. B, bear, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, egg, E. F, fish, F. Make my little fish gifts. G, gate, G. H, hat, H. I, iguana, I. J, jack in the box, J. I went backwards. J. K, kite, K. L, leaf, L. M, moon, M. N, nest, N. O, octopus, A. P, pig, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, ring, R. Sorry. S, sun, S. T, turtle, T. U, umbrella, A. V, vacuum, V. W, window, W. X, fox, X. Y, yo-yo, Y. Z, zipper, Z. And that's how we do letter cards daily.